Well, hi, welcome to my channel. You're here with Kika Kathy. So today I'm finally gonna do the Bretman rock collaboration with wetnwild, which is jungle rock. This is not just the palette, this is actually the whole collection. So just in case you didn't know, this is gonna be the giveaway. So wait until the end and to find out what you have to do to join in the giveaway. Let's start. To let you know, I bought all of these with my own money. Verdict, I pretty much enjoyed this whole thing, especially the palette. The palette is amazing. It was very pigmented, but I think this one right here, which is a pastel mint green, if that's the right color. This one right here, which is the anaconda, I think is pretty, but I really have to put more to actually show the pastel color, or it might be just because I'm tan, so it's not as as bright, as quicker with a lighter color. But I did use a lighter shade of concealer and also a little bit of like the white concealer as well, but yeah, anyways, other than that, everything else is really good. It's very pigmented, it's very pretty, and it's cheap and pretty. So that's really nice. The longevity of this, I don't have an idea yet, but I will update later on. I have a feeling this is gonna be one of those that's also long time, because I already used the Wet n Wild palette before and I loved it because they do stay for a pretty long time. Anyways, the brushes, there's 3 brushes. They're awesome, especially this eyeshadow brush and also the blending brush. They're really good. I mean, you know, even the highlighter blush is the highlighter brush, this is good too. I think this is a different kind. This is all synthetic. I think the way they did this is a different, I feel like this is different synthetic hair than they at the dollar store. Have you seen those? Like the white one with like a pink synthetic hair. So this is really good. I like it. Is it, you know, it's something that you need? I mean, I'm pretty sure you already have these things in your collection, so it's not really necessary. I just want to point out too that these two are like really good. This is like a dense right here, but super soft on top. So it's really good blending a small spot. The feeling of this is also very dense, but soft dense. The tip is really soft, but like the bottom, this side of it is really compact. So you can even probably use this as a concealer brush, because look, they kind of look alike. So I like that one. Very impressed with the brushes. The mascara is nice. This is actually my first time to see this kind of brush. You see that? The style of it? It was so easy for me to actually do my eyelashes. So I think this is gonna be my go-to for the meantime, just because when I was doing it, it's like it's in the perfect shape for my eye. Like it's shaped how my eyes is. The glosses are cool. I like it. I think I like them both, but I prefer the nude one. The nude one was really pretty. It's just my lips feel so healthy, and actually it does have a smell. I don't know what's this smell. But there is a scent to this. This one is very glittery, but just looks like it's kind of gold because of the golden sparkles in it, but it's also pretty. But I did like the nude one because the nude one also have like shimmers, but it's not as strong as the other color. The highlighters. Okay, so I already know that the highlighters is really pigmented, and it's really blinding. As you saw, I thought it was enough, but I kind of put a lot on my highlighter brush, and when I sweep it, it was too much. But when I dipped it, I didn't even dip it again, and I put it all over the high points that I wanted to put it on, and girl, let me tell you, it worked. It was enough for the whole face, so that was nice. Although there's one thing that I don't really like about this one though. You see how the B is like yellow or champagne color, and the R is like a pinkish glitter. it's actually, I feel like it's actual glitters. If you look in here, because I tried putting it in my inner corner, it feels like it's pure glitters. It is pretty, but I don't want to use that as a highlighter. I don't like glitter on my highlighter. So I'm most likely gonna use the B side rather than R side. If I do use the R side, I will use that as a glitter for my eyelid, but not as a highlighter. Lastly, face mist to prep, to set, and refresh. This is refresh, yes, very refreshing, and I feel like I got more glowy because look, I'm gonna shake it. You see that? So I think that's why I feel like it's more glowy. A little bit of like the highlighter, so I think that's why it looks glowy as well. So that's nice. I really like that. There's a smell in this. Of course, he loves coconut. So that's definitely the scent. So if you don't like that, I mean, you're not gonna like this at all. This is actually the makeup bag that's included. I bought some of this on Wet n Wild and some on Ulta. If you buy the certain products within this collection in some amount, I don't remember, but anyways, it is actually free. And you know, all of this actually fits in here. I really love this makeup bag, so this is gonna be my new makeup bag because it has a lot of space in here, girl. I think I tackled everything else. Anyways, I'm proud of you for making it to the end. Thank you for that, for waiting. So my giveaway, like I said, is this palette, this amazing palette. This is open for everybody. This time I'm not gonna do a live probably, just because I'm super busy since I'm not working. Instead of me having an extra time, I don't, because when I'm not working I always watch my kids. So anyways, to join in on the giveaway, I will pin the comment on when this is gonna end and also in the description box. But it will start the moment this gets uploaded. What you have to do is subscribe, of course, to my channel here in YouTube, and follow me in Facebook. I have an Instagram. It's all gonna be in the description box to be following all three of them. And then I got a comment in here too. Make sure you comment your Instagram name. Make sure your profile is in public, even just for that duration of the contest. This time I will actually just do a DM through my Facebook page. The announcement of this will be in Facebook. I will definitely check all of the platforms to know if you actually did, you know, what you're supposed to do. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video as I did. That was really fun. I wanted something colorful, but I don't know. I couldn't decide what colors I was gonna put. So I ended up doing this. Anyways, I hope you like this, and I'll see you again in my next video. I'll see you again in my next video. Babush, salamat!